Yo guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Well, today is actually Tuesday, okay? There was no video on Monday because I didn't took any trades on Monday. The market was really bad, as I told you guys. The market hasn't been the greatest. However, well, don't matter about this, but today I did took a trade, okay? I took a trade on gold, and I will explain why I took the trade. I don't know if you guys like it more like this, the way I do it when I already took the trade and I'm doing basically a trade recap, or if you like more when I do like a live trade, like you guys see me taking action and stuff. Usually the other type of video is more, it's longer. This one can be shorter. But yeah, well, so today in London session, I was trying to look for a GJ trade on London session, but I couldn't find it. Like, well, it's not like I couldn't find it. I found it, but it didn't give my setup, and I didn't want to risk it since I was already in a 3% drawdown. Today I made it to a 2% drawdown, a 1% win, 1.2% win. So what happened is I came to New York session. There was no news today besides some GBP news, I think, in the morning. So yeah, so no trading day on a Tuesday, and I start by looking at the 4 hour chart. Okay, I saw this I saw this really big imbalance in here, this fair value gap here. Okay, and I saw that we were already in the imbalance. Okay, this was, well, wait, what? Oh yeah, sorry. So this was already 4 o'clock and also 4:30 when market opened. So we were inside the imbalance. Okay, and there was obviously also an imbalance on the 1 hour, which was here, and we were also in it when the market opened. I also marked down this one in case we went up there, but we didn't. Okay, so uh, I went and I marked out the highs and the lows as I showed you guys in the last video. So here we had a high, and here we had a low. Okay, so one low here, one high here on the 1 hour time frame. On the 4 hour, we didn't have anything around here, just all the way down there and all the way up there. So yeah, so I scaled down to the 5 minutes since we are no, so yeah, since we are bullish on the 4 hour and we are bullish on the 1 hour. Okay, because a higher high. Yeah, okay, everybody knows that, I guess. Or if you guys don't, I can make a video explaining and stuff. But yeah, so here, right, I'll show you exactly the trade that I was thinking to take. Okay, so we were around here at 4 o'clock. Okay, I was watching the 5 minutes time frame since about that time, and I was looking for shorts due to the fair value gaps that we swept on the hourly liquidity, and also the high that we swept. Okay, which was this one right here that I'm marking. We swept it around here, and then yeah. Okay, so as you guys see, we had a break of structure with this candle on the 5 minutes time frame, which was the time frame that I'm supposed to trade on my strategy. Okay, and here it created a fair value gap. All right, so a fair value gap was created, and I was looking for an entrance. Okay, but however, I also trade with equilibrium, which is discounted price. And yeah, I mean, I hope you guys know what I'm talking about. Otherwise, as I said, I can make a video and stuff. Okay, so we did everything that I wanted. We created a fair value gap. We created actually two fair value gaps. So there was one there and one here. Okay, uh, and I was waiting for it to close in a blue candle like it did here, so I could close the equilibrium. So equilibrium closed here since we have a high there and a low there, and it started to scale up. It touched this fair value gap. I thought about going in. However, you guys always need to, if you're going to trade on this strategy, you always need to wait for selling power, at least on this case, because I'm looking for sells. If you're looking for buys, you need to wait for buying power. Okay, so there was no actually selling power in here. Okay, So I waited. Also, it's better to buy if it passes, if this is between 0 and 0.5 discounted price. Yeah, so once it hit the second fair value gap, okay, we were about here, and we saw a huge selling power that threw us down there to close the candle, okay? And once I saw that, I entered with 0.05 lot size, which is, I was risking about 0.5%, okay? And then after we went more up there, and we went down again, and we went more up there, and then when we had this huge, we had this small black candle, this small blue candle, and we saw a lot of sell power out of it, okay? Once it was around here, I entered again with another 0.05 lot size, which made me risk 1%, and it made me have a 1.2 risk to reward, which was 1.2% like gain if I did the trade, if I gained the trade, okay, if I won the trade, sorry. So my interest was about, I think, 33.7 something, yeah, like around here ish, and I put my stop loss where it would like cancel basically my strategy, and it would touch the candle that formed the fair value gap that I entered from. So because I entered from this fair value gap, okay, we see that this candle and also obviously that candle created the fair value gap, okay? So I put it on here on top of this candle that created the fair value gap, because otherwise if I put it here, the risk to reward was going to be negative, so I'd rather just place it like this. And yeah, I mean, I probably had a bad image in something around here or something, I don't know. It was 1.2 risk to reward, okay? And I was quite tempted, as I said, I will be truly honest, okay? I was quite tempted to close out the trade, just say, oh fuck it, the market conditions are so bad and stuff like that, once we went up here and stuff. But then when I saw the selling power really out of it, I entered again, as I told you guys, and yeah, it hit the trade. And to be honest, it made me happy, even though you're not supposed to have emotions and stuff. It made me really happy because I haven't won a trade since, I think, like almost 2 weeks and a half, okay? Because all the time I was trying to trade with my strategy, the market was going in another direction, or it wasn't just giving me any entrances, or it was just shitting the bed, okay? So once I won the trade, I was like, all right, I'm gonna make a video, So if you guys have any questions, you can comment down below. If you guys have any suggestions also on how to improve the video and stuff, I thought about recording it with my phone, like at least the beginning of it and stuff. But I don't know if you guys prefer this style of video, it's more basic or something, or if you guys prefer me doing like some cuts in the video, doing some nice editing. I don't know. I'm just like this is how I am, this is how like I basically like I watch channels like this, which is like really raw content, and I like that personally. But if you guys have any suggestions that how can I improve, I'll accept that, okay? But yeah, this is the trade I took, and I'm not trading for the rest of the day, so I only took one trade today. And yeah, now I'm on a 2% drawdown on my 5K verification phase. Hopefully we can have more setups in the near future, since at least even today morning I kind of saw a good setup, but it just didn't play out. But it was definitely way better than last week's sparse action, okay? But if you like the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow or maybe Thursday. Okay, bye bye.